Hello dosto, welcome back to our channel TimeIT Investor. I hope you had a very good and profitable day today because yesterday we have clearly discussed that Nifty can provide us the short covering. Okay, so Nifty have today closed about 25k. Nifty ने आज 25,000 का level break किया है और decisively closing भी दी है. Okay, so I think yesterday analysis was apt but not completely because I was expecting 25,200 as target level which we didn't saw today. आज मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता 25,200 का टारगेट अचीव होगा लेकिन आज मिला नहीं मे बी कल मिल जाएगा ओके सो बिफोर वी प्रोसीड टू द एनालिसिस अगर आप नए हो चैनल को इफ यू आर न्यू टू चैनल प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट फॉर आवर पार्टी मेंटी इन्वेस्टर चैनल okay let's quickly go ahead and check how the market was there so we can see I think the top gainer today okay was 26 stocks were trading positive only 23 stocks were trading negative and in the top gainer were Infosys because I think उन्होंने I think bonus भी declare किया है they have also declared bonus for their employees so I think even TCS has also has closed positive today I think because it is too much oversold, guys. Okay, all the IT sectors, okay, they are too much oversold. Now maybe the money rotation or sectoral rotation can happen. Okay, कुछ ज़्यादा ही सोल्ड कर लिया guys. I think IT sector को तो I think पैसा rotate होगा I think ये sector में. Okay, next stock was HUL that is expected based upon GST and then NTPC. Okay, if I wanted to see okay which were the top loser, you can see Bharat Electronics and sorry. All right, Bharat Electronics, Bajaj Finance, Shriram Finance, Tata Motors. So I think these were the top loser I think today. But I think it is just sort of correction, not a big losing streak. All right. So let's quickly go ahead and check what will be the level for tomorrow in our chart. Okay. All right. So कल हमने guys बराबर ये लेवल यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट किया था if market enter in this territory I'll be expecting a bullish momentum till 25,200 okay so it has already entered into our territory okay so tomorrow also we can see the short covering we will quickly check the open interest data हम लोग open interest data check करेंगे कल भी हमको short covering मिल सकती है okay so if that happens so we can see 25,200 okay so a word of caution guys over here okay यहाँ पे हमको थोड़ा सा cautious रहने की जरूरत है guys the reason for that क्योंकि ये gap अभी भरा नहीं है okay so again मेरे expression वही रहेगा it can go as high as 25,200 okay to 25,180 and from there we can see the sharp reversal as well okay so that is a word of caution guys that is based upon that I'm creating my trading strategies okay so for tomorrow okay tomorrow is a market expiry for Nifty okay weekly expiry is there so I will be moving this arrow okay over here okay so कल क्या हो सकता है guys I think कल market I think maybe gap open होके यहाँ पे वापस से support create कर सकता है around 25,000 and then it will start going above okay that is a possibility हाँ अगर कल okay let's say tomorrow if market opens little bit of higher okay it higher there is a possibility that it will again retrace back to 25k and then it will start going up these are the two possible scenario okay then third scenario can be okay if it breaks down to this level okay then it's a no trading zone guys for us either it should break about 25k or it should break below 24,850 okay this level is volatile level guys okay no trade zone okay so let me say as no trade zone okay so we need to be careful according so guys best trading practice is to also decide when not to trade okay हमको ट्रेड कब नहीं करना है और कौन से जोन में ट्रेड नहीं करना है ओके ये अगर आपको आ गया गाइस ओके सो 80% of the job is done okay because maximum time you might have seen people are losing money more and gaining very less so we need to wait for the appropriate opportunity okay to trade okay setup को तैयार होने दो guys setup should get ready as per our analysis so what my analysis is saying if it is about 25k I will enter the trade that's what I did today and we also made some little profit today based upon my strategy which I will explain in the sensible analysis okay so these are the level okay 25,180 to 200 okay 25,180 to 200 okay 25,200 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 And below level, if it 25K breaks, we can further see downside around 24,850. Okay, these are the two level, guys. Be careful about the same. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly check our sensible data. I will come to the profit and strategy, guys, later. Let's first close the open interest. Okay, so open interest क्या बोलता है, guys? Okay, so PCR हमारा 1.35 है. It is pointing towards bullish sign. Okay, so bull are dominating, मतलब bulls काफी dominating position पे है with this PCR being above 1. जब भी पीसीआर 1 के ऊपर रहता है, बुल्स स्ट्रांग रहता है. ओके, अगर मुझे देखना है कि ये क्या लेवल्स है, 25,050 है यहाँ पे, गाइस. ओके, एंड ह्यूज पुट राइटिंग ऑन 25,000. सो क्रिटिकल लेवल, जैसे कि हमारे चार्ट पे हमको दिख रहा था, गाइस. ओके, 25 हमारा क्रिटिकल लेवल है. दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग, दैट इट माइट कम बैक टू 25 अगेन. फ्रॉम हियर इट कैन अगेन go to the upward side of 25,180 to 25,200. ये वाली तरफ जा सकता है. So now let's quickly check the top. Okay, what is the resistance? So if 25,050 is broken, we can see the short covering. The next big call rating is 25,100. Okay, and after that at 25,150, I don't see any put writing over here. So we can see market can remain range bound between 25K 25,000 से लेके तो 25,150. ठीक है, ये रेंज कल के लिए मुझे दिख रही है बेस अपॉन ओपन इंटरेस्ट डाटा. ओके, लेकिन कल एक्सपायरी है, गाइस. कुछ भी हो सकता है, सो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल. ओके, एटलीस्ट द मोमेंट 25K ब्रेक्स, 25K अगर ब्रेक होता है, एटलीस्ट मैं अगर पे कुछ पोजीशन बनाऊंगा बुलिश साइड में, तो मैं एग्जिट करूंगा. एटलीस्ट ये मेरा प्लान रहने वाला है. ओके, ओके, फेयर इनफ. सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड क्विकली चेक द एफआई डाटा. ओके, सो एफआई डाटा आज का आ गया है. हम लोग देख सकते हैं, गाइस. ओके, दैट FIIs are still selling due to geopolitical scenario, but luckily our government is fighting back the geopolitical issues. And future also they have made bearish position. In option they have a good bullish position in put open interest, and half of it is bearish position. So tomorrow I can expect market to remain range bound between 25K to 25,100. Okay, I can expect short covering at 25,050. Okay, 25,000 से 25,150 के रेंज में मार्केट रह सकता है. ओके, और शॉर्ट कवरिंग आ सकती है 25,050 में. मतलब शॉर्ट कवरिंग मतलब क्या है, गाइस? अगर 25,050 डिसर्जिल ब्रेक होता है, तो वी कैन इमीडिएटली सी 25,000. ओके, 120. तो 50-60 पॉइंट की इमीडिएट जंप होगा यहाँ पे. ओके, दैट्स एक्सपेक्टेशन. Okay, all right, now coming back to our profit and strategy. So guys, yesterday I already mentioned that I'll be getting a modified beer condo. Okay, so all right, yes. So yeah, I have created a modified beer condo. So beer condo is like this. Okay, where your profit will happen once it enters into this zone. Okay, but loss is limited in this case. So my modified beer condor looks like this. Okay. So what it does basically, what at the downside also, I am I'm trying to recover the profit, okay, loss which is happening in the bull condor. Okay. So that is get recovered by selling additional two PE calls. Okay, you can see I have sold additional 2 PE option over here, okay, to recover my loss, okay, if the bull condor doesn't go as per my analysis. So yesterday I clearly mentioned that I will be expecting short covering at 25K, okay. So accordingly I have created a modified bull condor strategy, so that if market reverses I will be in very limited loss. Okay, so just to show you, I think, guys, today I already booked profit in 24,850. The moment market broke 25,000 K, okay, and I shifted this further position to further upper side, which is 24,950. So if I wanted to show you, okay, how things look on chart, okay, payoff chart. So this is how it looks. So you can see I will be in profit tomorrow, okay, if market opens between this about 24,050, okay. So bare minimum profit will be 3,866, okay, if I hold it. If tomorrow markets open gap up, okay, let's say if open gaps up around 25,130, okay. So let's see how much profit I will be in. So 25,120, and tomorrow if I go to 21, okay, and let's go to 9 a.m. and 9:20, okay. If this happens, I will be already in 2% profit of my deployed capital, which is around 4k, roughly around 4k, okay. And let's say tomorrow we have a huge I think short covering. Okay, if it goes about 25,200 or 250, I will be further in profit of 25,800. You see, guys, I have limited my loss. Okay, if to up till around 24,950. Okay, so that's a strategy which I have created, which is called modified bull counter. So if you are furthermore interested to learn this kind of strategy, guys, do let me know in comments. I will also create a separate video, the way I have created video for the VWAP strategy. Okay, so now coming back to the capital deployed over here. Okay, so you can see my probability of profit is 81% over here. Okay, and capital required, okay, is only 1.94 lakhs. Okay, so roughly 2 lakh capital I have deployed, and if I make 4k within 2 days, I will be more than happy. Okay, so that is roughly around 2% of my capital deployed. Okay, because we are already sitting on profit of 7.5k plus I think 1000 profit, so 8.5k profit we are already sitting on for this week. Okay, so generally, guys, if you see my total margin is somewhere around 5.5 lakhs. Okay, so my trading capital margin, okay, is 5.5 lakhs. So I never deploy my full 5.5 lakhs. I always go for 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, not more than 3 lakhs, because I need to keep 2 lakhs margin available for firefighting. Okay, as you can see, this is a strategy which I created yesterday, which allowed me to not sit in front of my laptop, okay, all the time. I punch in my trades, okay, and that's it. At the end of the day, either will be in loss or there will be profit. Okay. At the max, I will set up a notification for the take profit and take loss. Okay. So that's how I trade. I hope this will give you some insight of how to manage the trade along with your full-time job. Okay. All right. So now let's go ahead quickly and check the global markets. What are the cues for tomorrow? Okay. Okay, so Gift Nifty is neutral. ICICI Bank ADR is positive by 1.34%. That is really good. Crude oil has increased a bit, nothing to worry about. USD INR has become strong, good for us. HDFC Bank ADR is positive, that is good for us. Infosys ADR is positive, 3%, good for us. Okay, so dollar index holding 98, that is also good for us. Then Bitcoin, bit positive, good for us. This is positive, not good for us. So overall, I think guys, market sentiments are very positive. Okay, so I think tomorrow we can expect market to gap up. Okay, so let's see how things will go tomorrow. Okay, now coming to my swing trading portfolio, the stocks which I'm maintaining. We go to swing trade and watch list. Okay, so TCS I think today we have purchased at 3K, 3000 पे लिया था TCS, अभी 3100 पे है. So we are good. CDSL I think holding stable. Dr. Lab holding stable. Larsen Turbo is falling. Cam Service holding stable. Adani Power holding stable. Okay, nothing much change, guys, except TCS in my swing trading portfolio. All right. So I think that's it from my side, guys, for today. If you are new to our channel, okay, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This is our channel. Okay. So if you want me to create a similar kind of video the way I have created for VWAP, okay, this strategy. If you not check this one, please do check that out. So do let me know in the comments. I will also create a detailed video for modified bull condor, okay, and modified bear condor. Okay, so guys, these are very safe strategy which I generally deploy. Okay, so profit will be less. Okay, of course, in this case. So maximum time in condor strategy. Okay, either bear or bull. Okay, so profitability will be low. Okay, so basically you may be getting 1.5% or 2% profit most of the time. Okay, at some of the time when the market is volatile, you might end up I think 3% or 4% of the capital. Okay, so that is very time tested strategy, guys, which I frequently deploy because I'm always in the office between 10 to 5, 10 to 7, sometimes 10 to 9, and I don't want headache for my capital or account to get blown. Okay, so most of the time I will deploy this strategy. So profit आना चाहिए guys. Okay, profit आता रहेगा भले ही हमको profit कम हो, but loss, okay, loss probability should get reduced to minimum. Okay, that's why I create strategy which is always above 80% of probability of profit. It's called POP. Okay, because that will give me peace of mind if I'm deploying significant amount of money in the market. Okay, so that's it guys for today. I hope you had a very good learning today. So see you tomorrow in the morning. Thank you very much.